Tired of that blinding white DuckDuckGo browser hurting your eyes at night? Switch to dark mode in under 30 seconds with no extra tools, no downloads, no extensions, no fuss. Just a cleaner, darker browsing experience that actually feels comfortable on your eyes when the lights are low or you are trying to wind down for the evening. So here is exactly what we are going to do. I will show you where to click in the settings to enable dark mode. It is just a few taps and it saves automatically. No buttons to hunt for later, no confusion. You will be done before you know it. All right, start by opening up your DuckDuckGo browser on your device. Whether you are on your phone, a tablet, or your computer, go ahead and launch it now. Just the normal app icon you use every day. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see 3 little horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. That is the menu button. Go ahead and tap or click on that. In my experience, people often overlook this icon because it is so small, but it is your gateway to everything you need. From that menu that just popped open, you want to select Settings. It should be near the bottom of the list, but every version of DuckDuckGo keeps it in roughly the same spot. Click on that and we will move into the more detailed options. And here is the really important part. On the left side of the settings window, you will see a sidebar with a list of categories. You want to find and click on Appearance and Language. That is where all the visual customization lives. This is the section I always test first when setting up a new browser because it controls so much of your daily comfort. Now, under the Appearance section, you will see a few theme options. Right now, it is probably set to System Default or Light, but you want to look for the one that just says Dark. Click on that one. And here is the best part. There is no save button. No confirm dialog, no extra step to mess up. The moment you click dark, the browser immediately changes to a deep, comfortable dark background with light text. It saves automatically in the background. You can close the settings window right then and there and start browsing in a much easier on the eyes environment. So just like that, you are done. From a harsh, bright white screen to a calm, dark interface that reduces eye fatigue instantly. Give it a try the next time you are browsing in a dark room or just want to change a pace. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.